explain is this one. The monthly, in 1 month, he has to pay rupees 259. Now, what will be the amount for 3 years? The total amount in 3 years. Okay. Acha, in 1 month only it is given. Acha, 1 year is equal to 12 months, na? So, what will be 3 years is equal to? 1 year means 12 months. 2 years, 24 months. 3 years, 36. That means 12 into 3, 36 months. Now, in 1 month, he has to pay this amount. Then in 36 months, how much amount, how many he will be paid? So this into 36. Now this first question is clear? Yes or no? If yes, then you can shake your head. Okay. Anjum, clear, Tom? Nouras, I have you joined just right now, Tom. But this is not allowed. Every day you will join late. This one will not be allowed, huh? And don't worry, only I explained this sum, huh? Okay. Look, wait. The first one, dash into multiplier is equal to product. Already at the time of multiplication, I told you. If we are multiplying any number, then suppose we are multiplying 27 and 25. Then one is known as multiplicand, another is known as multiplier. Now, which one will be multiplicand? Say, is known as, yes, Farzana. Farzana, first one multiplicand. Now, don't raise the hand. One doubt, wait. I know, don't raise the hand for ma'am, I joined late. What have you done? See the video for that. Okay, ma'am, I was present. You mark me absent, okay? For this type of issue, okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay. Now look at this. Basically, at the time of taking attendance, if all of you were present, then you will be marked as present. But sometimes due to network issue, when I was taking at the attendance, some student got disconnected. That's why they have got absent. But don't worry, this attendance will be again updated, huh? Achha, now Trisha coming. Wait, let me complete the class. Every time, every day. I told you, so I will talk to you later. Now look at this. Suppose 127 is there. We are multiplying this one by 23. And we are getting the answer. This is the answer. Okay. First one is called multiplicand. Second one is multiplier. Okay. This one is called multiplicand. CAND. And this 23 is known as multiplier. The answer is known as product. They are product. Okay. Now look at this. The first one. Look. Dash into multiplier. Right over there. Multiplicand. Done. Multiplicand. Fill in the blanks. First blank will be multiplicand. Write it. Shampriti, done. Shampriti, at first complete the classwork, then I am coming. Shampriti, at first complete the classwork. Write it in your copy, not in book. Anubhav writing to. Write it in your copy. Now the next one, number B. This answer is given dash into 100 is equal to, the answer is given. Look, the answer is given 2,13,400. Now in 2,13,400, at the last, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, na? So definitely these 2 zeros are, these zeros of 100. In 100 also there are 2 zeros. So at the last, only these 2 zeros are there. So what will be there in the blank? It will be definitely this one, 2, 1, 3, 4. The left part. In 200 is equal to 2,13,400. Write this one. 2,134. Number B. Next, number C. Acha, by 510 we are multiplying a number and we are getting the answer 0. When we will get the answer 0? Property of 0 I explained na? Property of 0. Suppose we are multiplying any number by 0, then only we will get 0 na? So 0 into 510 is equal to 0. Got it? Acha, first one multiplicand again I am writing. Second one 2,134. Third one is 0. Acha, next one. Number D. The multiplicand is always dash than the product. Acha, which one is multiplicand? Suppose, look at this. Suppose 121 into 12. This one is multiplicand too. And this one is the product. The answer. Now look at this. Multiplicand will always be greater or less or equal to the product. Multiplicand is always dash than the product. Look, multiplicand is always less than the product. Okay, but not always. There are some exception case also. Suppose look, 121 with this we are multiplying 12. Then always we will get a number which is greater than this 121 as well as 12. Yes, Tom. Ankita, suppose 121 we are multiplying this by 12. Then definitely the product will be greater than 121 now. Suppose 12 into 3. Look, 3 12s are 36. This product is greater than this 12. So, yes or no? That means, look, always the product is greater than the multiplicand. That means multiplicand is always less than the product. But there is an exception case. Okay. What is that exception case? Let me explain. Achha, ABCD you have done, yes or no? ABCD. Let me check all the students done or not. Parijat, Nusaiba, Shampriti done, ABCD, Shushnata. Achha, have you understood the ABCD? Ha, okay. Now let me explain this exception case. Okay. Achha, Shubhangi done. Achha, okay. Also, let me wait for the others for 1 minute. Okay. Acha, now let me clear the screen. The exception case of number D, look, this is less than, so I told, but sometimes suppose 0 is the multiplicand. Look, we are multiplying 0 by 7. Okay. Now we'll get to 0. Yes. Here, look, both are equal, na? Multiplicand and the product. Yes, so. Sushnata, here, Oishani, Ovipsha, if we multiply this 0 by 7, then look, the product and the multiplicand, both are equal, na? So basically, you can write less or equal, but this equal case, this is property of 0, though, so no need to write. Oh, but you have to remember this one. Understood though? That in case of 0, basically these are equal. All of you understood this? Shubhangi, Ashmit. Okay. Now, Shonakshi, clear though? Shonakshi, I cannot see you properly better. Put the camera in such a way so that I can see. Yes. Okay. Understood. So now number E. Next one. 454 into 20. Avoid this 0. Just multiply this one by this 2. Then put the 0. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8. Plus 1, 9. 9, 0, 8, 0. Do it fast. Then, now the next one, if I am doing 78 into 900. Just avoid this 2 0. No need to remember this one. Multiply by 9. This type of thing already done. Na? 8 9s are 72. Carry 7. 7 9 63 plus this 7. 70. Okay. Now as we avoided this 2 0, so we have to put this 2 0. Then this answer will be 70200, 70,200. Now this one. Number G. This is normal multiplication. Do it yourself. I'll show it here. Don't worry. Here, there is no option. We have to multiply it. First by 5, then by 1, then by 2. Anubhav, done up to F. I'll erase. Anubhav, up to F completed. No, acha. Okay, I'm waiting. Do it first. Now completed, beta. Those who have completed, they can raise their hand. Sheikh Intekaf, Nusaiba, Mohammad Nahid, Oishani, Ovipsha. Okay. Ananya, Farzana, completed? Okay, good. Nouraz done to? Anushka? Okay. Meheria, Moushim, Rajpreet, Anjum. Enakshi, Prativa, completed up to this? Pratibha and Ashia. Okay, then I'm clearing the screen. Now the next one, number G. 3479 multiplied by 215. This type of multiplication already done in class so many times. You can do it yourself. By 5 we have to multiply. 5 9 45. 5 will be there, 4 carried over there. Okay. Now 5 sevens. 35 plus this 4. 39. 9 will be there, 3 carried over there. Okay. Now 4 5s are 20 plus this 3. 23, 2 carried over there. Now 3 5s are 15 plus this 2. 17. Okay. Now by 1 we have to multiply. It is in tens place. That means by 10. So first put 1 0 in one's place. Okay. Now the number will remain same as we are multiplying by 1. Okay, done. Now by this 2 we have to multiply. That means 2 is in 100 place. So by 200. That means tens place and 1 place will be 0. 2 zeros will be there. Now by 2 multiply this number. Achha, is the screen visible? You can understand though, this one 3479. Okay. I think now it is visible. Okay, write this first. Now by 2. 2 9s are 9 2s are 18. 8 will be there. 1 carried over there. 2 7s are 14 plus this 1. 15. 5 will be there. 1 carried forward. 4 2s are 8 plus this 1. 9. 2 3s are 6. Now add them. Shampriti doing too? Okay. 5. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. This addition also I have to make you understand. 18, this 8 plus 7 plus 3. 18 plus 1. It will be 9, 19, put 9. 1 carried over there. Okay, then 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus this 1. 17. 7 again, 1 carried over there. Then 9 plus 1, 10, 13 plus 1, 14, 4. This one, 7. Just do it. This is number G. Completed. G completed, all of you. Sheikh Intekab, Muhammad Nahid, Shirin Alam, Farzana, Meheria, Moushim, Kaushali, Shushnata, Farzana and Trisha, I'm coming. Afrina, do little bit faster, okay? I have to complete all the questions, true, false also. Afrina completed, okay. Now let me clear the screen and I am moving for the next one, okay? Number 8, the product of any number with 1000 has dash zeros to the right of that answer. Look at this. The product of any number with 1000. Basically, by 1000 we are multiplying means what? I told now we have to avoid this 30, Then at the end, at the last of the answer, we have to put these 3 zeros. So definitely there must be how many zeros, as there are 3 zeros. So here it will be 3 0. Write this first. Now the next one. Write it first. Now next one. In 45,193, the product of place value of 5 with that of 9. The product of, just try to understand this very carefully, huh? The product of the place value of 5. What will be the place value of 5? The number, let me write first, huh? The number is 45,193. Now what will be place value of 5? Place value, it is known to you though. Plus 2 and 3, you have learned this. 5,000, even in your class also. This one will be the place value of 5. Now with that of 9, okay? With that of 9, that means the place value of 9. Just don't take 9 only, understood though? Place value of 9. Now in 45,193, 9 is there though. Place value of 9 is what? Look, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. Now 5,000 place value of 5, and in case of 9, it is 9 tens over there now. So 90. Now we have to multiply this. Just avoid these zeros. 4 0, here is 1, here 3. 5 9s is 45. Okay. Then put this 3 0 and also this one. 1, 2, 3 and this one 4. This one will be the answer. Acha, Trisha understood this one? This question? Okay. Pratibha, Farzana, this one understood? Yes, yes. Okay. Shubhangi? Shubhangi, at first tell me just this one you have understood, yes or no? Then ma'am unmute me this type of question, okay? This one understood? Okay. Now write the answer. Kaushali understood too? Okay, now let me unmute all of you. Okay, true, false, I'll complete tomorrow. This true, false. Let me unmute just one by one. Wait.